Hello. Today I want to talk to you about something very important, and it is the importance of asking right questions in order to come up with empowering answers that will help you to move on in your life, bring more success, and achieve anything you want. I'm quite amazed that often when I speak to my clients, they ask questions that are taking them completely away from where they want to go, and they wonder why can't they get there. So there are two kinds of questions. There are disempowering questions and empowering questions. So the empowering questions, when you're asking them, they feel good. Actually, you relax or you get excited when you ask those questions. They expand your mind, expand your possibilities. They're like a key in the door to take you to where you want to go. Disempowering questions don't feel good when you're asking them. They make you feel flat, uninspired, depressed. They take energy out of your wings so you cannot fly high. And they definitely taking you away from where you want to go. Now, the danger when you're asking yourself those questions is that you are actually asking yourself questions because you want to move forward, but actually you're moving backwards, or you're staying in the same place and you're going around in the circles. Can you please start paying attention to the questions you're asking yourself every single day? Because the questions you're asking yourself could take you forward in bounds and leaps towards your ideal life, ideal business, ideal relationship, or ideal health, or they could be taking you away right now. Let me give you some examples. So often my clients bring this question to the table. Why can't I find a job? I've been looking for a year or 2 years and nothing is coming up. What's wrong with me? Can you imagine how that question is helping them? Well, it's not. It's certainly making them feel like there is something wrong with them, that there is no hope, and there's basically a very depressing energy about this question. How many times have you been asking yourself questions that make you feel flat, deflated, uninspired, and stuck? Maybe you're asking yourself this question today of some kind of question that it's not helping you to move forward. Well, change it to an empowering question. So this example, why can't I find a job for over a year? What do I need to do right now in order to have 3 possible job offers on the table in the next few months? What do I need to change? What do I need to do to put myself in a position of having a choice of more than 1 possibilities? You see, what happens is that it shifts your brain, shifts your thinking, shifts your state, and it's already taking you towards a different reality. Now, you may not find the answer to it immediately in that very moment, but if you keep on asking yourself empowering, expansive questions, sooner or later, you will find someone who may go, oh, that's an interesting question. I've got something I can share with you. Or maybe you can shift your CV. What is your area of expertise? Let me ask so-and-so, and maybe they can help you. So asking a very good, powerful, empowering, progressive question, it's something that often it's the difference between failure and success. Let me give you another example with another client I've just had recently. Why do I always experience debt in my life? So if you ask yourself this question, what happens is that the brain starts looking for the problem. Well, exactly. Is it because my parents were always in debt? Or maybe I'm useless? Or maybe there is something wrong with me? Maybe it's bad luck. So this question actually can take you in one direction, which is actually where you don't want to go. How about if you ask yourself a question, what is it that I need to do? What is it that I need to know in order for me to have more financial abundance and more savings at the end of the year that I've ever experienced before. Can you see the difference in the energy that it's producing? The spine straightens up straight away when you hear it. It makes you feel good, and the expansion is already happening in the moment of you asking it. So notice how the questions are making you feel. Do they expand you or do they shrink you? If they shrink you, change the question in that moment and see what happens. Another last example is, let me give you an example. This is what my clients often bring to the table. Will this business work? Will my business survive? Now, what kind of question is it? Well, what if the answer is yes, you will fail? What are you going to do with it? Are you going to give up? No. You need to ask it the better question. What do I need to do in order for this business to become extremely impactful for all my clients and for it to achieve humongous success in the next 12 months? What do I need to do for this business to be extremely successful? So you see, by asking questions, they're taking you to where you want to go instead of where you don't want to go. Your brain starts looking for answers. It's like putting something to Google search. If you look for 5 steps to a successful relationship, how can I find my soulmate in the next 30 days? Okay, then the answers will come up and you will start finding links to books, ideas, coaches who can help you achieve that. But if you look for the reasons why I am still single, well, it can take you to a specific area which could be quite disempowering. So ask questions, my beautiful souls, that are empowering, expansive, powerful, and change your destiny. They change your health, change your relationships, change your business, change your income. What questions can you ask yourself today that will change your life? So, as you know, I have created this amazing program called Clarity Activator, which takes you through 7 steps that create clarity. But the most important part of this program is actually asking empowering questions. So I will guide you into a very specific place where you come up with questions about the area in your life where you feel stuck, confused, uninspired, and where you don't know what to do next. So I can't wait to share the Clarity Activator with you, because it can really help you in any area of your life. Plus, you can use it over and over again. It's a pre-recorded online program that you can use. First month you can use on your business. Next month you can use on your finances, and then you can use it on something else. But it is available, and you can just sit down, have a cup of tea, and go through those 7 steps and come up with the answers that you need. What should I do with my business to take this business to the next level of expansion? What do I need to do? What do I need to know? How do I need to be with my relationship in order to improve it or release it? What do I need to know in order to heal my body and have more vitality and strength and immunity that I've ever had? So I invite you to join me on this journey of clarity and expansion. And I can't wait to hear from you and work with you, and for you to spread your wings and do what you came here to do with confidence. Enjoy Clarity Activator and have a beautiful day.